Are you trying to decide between Trading 212 and Moneybox? Let's break it down and see which one might be better for you. In this video, we'll compare these two popular investment platforms. Both are designed to help you invest your money, but they do it in different ways. Trading 212 offers a trading platform for stocks and ETFs. It allows you to buy and sell shares easily. You can also practice with a demo account if you are new to investing. The app is user friendly, making it simple to navigate. On the other hand, Moneybox focuses on helping you save and invest. It rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it for you. This makes investing feel effortless. Moneybox also offers a variety of investment options, including ISAs and pensions. Now, let's look at the key differences. Trading 212 is great for active traders who want to manage their investments directly. Moneybox is perfect for those who prefer a more hands off approach to saving and investing. When it comes to features, Trading 212 provides commission free trading and a wide range of stocks. Moneybox, however, offers a unique roundup feature and investment portfolios tailored to your goals. In terms of pricing, Trading 212 has no commissions, which is a big plus for traders. Moneybox may have some fees, especially for certain accounts, but the convenience it offers can be worth it. So, who should choose what? If you want to actively trade and have control over your investments, go with Trading 212. If you're looking for an easy way to save and invest with minimal effort, Moneybox is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.